Space. It's vast, mysterious, and full of wonders. Among these wonders are asteroids, remnants from the early solar system. These celestial bodies, often seen as mere rocks hurtling through space, hold secrets. They are like treasure chests, filled with resources. Resources that could change everything for humanity. Imagine a future where we are not limited to our planet for resources. A future where we mine asteroids for the materials we need to build, to explore, to survive. This isn't science fiction, it's a very real possibility, and it's closer than you might think. The potential of asteroid mining is enormous. It could provide us with a nearly inexhaustible supply of raw materials, fuel our expansion into space, and even help us combat climate change here on Earth. It's a future worth exploring, a future we should all be excited about. Asteroids are not all the same. They are as diverse as the planets themselves. Scientists categorize them into different types based on their composition. The most common are C-type asteroids, rich in carbon and silicate rocks. They are dark and ancient, relics from the dawn of our solar system. Next are the S-type asteroids, composed mainly of silicate materials and nickel-iron. They are less common than their C-type cousins, but still hold vast amounts of valuable resources. Then we have the rarest of them all, the M-type asteroids. These metallic behemoths are primarily made of iron and nickel, with traces of other precious metals. Understanding the composition of these asteroids is crucial. It allows us to identify which ones are the most promising targets for mining, which ones hold the keys to unlocking a new era of resource abundance. It is through this understanding that we can turn the dream of asteroid mining into a reality. The resources locked within asteroids are staggering. Metals like iron, nickel, and cobalt, essential for our industries, are found in abundance. Even rarer metals like platinum and gold, used in everything from electronics to jewelry, are present in significant quantities. But the real game changer is water. C-type asteroids in particular are thought to contain vast amounts of water ice. This water can be used not only for life support in space but also to create rocket fuel. Imagine fuel depots scattered throughout the solar system, supplied by water mined from asteroids. This is not just about extracting resources. It's about changing the way we think about resources. It's about expanding our reach, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. It's about ensuring a future where humanity thrives not just on Earth, but among the stars. Among the many asteroids out there, one stands out, 16 Psyche. This massive M-type asteroid is thought to be the exposed core of a protoplanet, a glimpse into the heart of a celestial body. Its composition is mind-boggling. Primarily iron and nickel, with estimates suggesting it contains enough metal to be worth more than the entire global economy. In 2023, NASA launched the Psyche mission. This spacecraft is on its way to 16 Psyche, set to arrive in 2029. Its mission to study this metallic world in detail, unlocking its secrets and helping us understand the formation of planets. 16 Psyche is more than just an asteroid, it's a symbol of our ambition to reach beyond Earth, to explore the cosmos, and to secure our future by tapping into the vast resources the universe offers. It's a symbol of a future where humanity becomes a spacefaring civilization,